Okay, so we're going to go over how to make a Padlet. Now remember, I'm on my computer and you're on your iPad, so it's going to be a little bit different, but I think it should be similar enough, and I think you should be able to figure it out, and if not, please just ask. Okay, so when you make a Padlet, there are different options, okay? Wall, canvas, stream, grid, back channel, and shelf. I'm going to go for a wall because I kind of like the way it looks, and we can kind of move them around. I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to select that. Okay, now when it comes in, when you see this kind of stuff, don't just close it right away. Make sure you read it to figure out what you want. Okay, my grand wall. Okay, I want to name it Malala Yousafzai because that's my topic. That's what I'm doing. Made with love. So it always suggests something like kind of cutesy like that. But I'm not going to say made with love. I'm going to say like made with admiration because I love her and I admire her, and that's why I did my project on that. Okay, so these are the wallpapers. That's what shows in the back. Now this one's cool, but I'm like, Okay, so this one's very cool because it moves and we like that, but like, okay, does this have anything to do with Malala? No, so I don't want that. I'm not just gonna pick something because I think it's cool. Okay, I like that because okay, it's like teachers, it's like school, but I think I just want something a little bit calmer, I guess. Corkboard. I kind of like that one. Now there are a lot of like cute ones, but like, okay, what does that have to do with Malala? Nothing. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go for that. Remember, your background should reflect your topic. Don't just do something because you think it's cool. Okay, your theme, your post color. My posts are should probably be dark because this is so light. Okay, and then maybe I can change my font. I'm probably just going to stick with this one. I think it's better. I don't really think I need any of those things. I think we can always come back to that next. Okay, so here's what we need. We want it to be public so I can see it. But those with access, I don't want anyone else to write on it. I just want people to read it. Okay, so no, I just want can read. Okay, so make sure you do this. Okay, public can read. That way you can make sure that you can send it to me and you can send it to your classmates so everybody can see it, but nobody can mess with it. Nobody can write on it as well. So the next, and I think we are ready to start posting. Okay, so whenever you see a circle, that means this is what we can double click anywhere, drag in files. Okay, there we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some subsections. Okay, so I know maybe I'll just do my introduction first. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my writing and I'm going to go, okay, there's my introduction. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my Padlet and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and so in there I can kind of, what happened? Okay, there we go. There it goes. Okay. And I don't know if I can, yeah, I probably should be able to move these around. I think when we have more, we'll be able to move them around. Okay, so now maybe I want a picture, so I'm going to upload. Now these are popping up for me, but usually you can probably just pick file. Okay, and I know that like, okay, this is the picture, one of the pictures I wanted. Okay. So you just have to kind of wait and write something. Ah, that's perfect because we need to make sure we have captions. Okay, so Malala as a young girl showing off her style because she got a little pink on, she got a little purse. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now we have this, and I think maybe we can start moving them around. I don't know. Probably on yours on the iPad, you can start moving them around. But basically, what I'm going to do is, and then maybe I can even enter links in. So I know I want to show the malalafund.org. Let's give it a second to load. Okay, so as it's loading, they all look perfect. Okay, so then I want to say Malala Fund, and then I can talk more about this. Okay, I can just kind of copy it, and then maybe I'll make that my title, and then Malala's Fund raises money and awareness for education around the world. And that way people will be able to use the link as well. What else can we add in? Google. I don't really think you're probably going to need to Google anything. Okay, but look at all the things that you can add in. Maybe even a map. That would be kind of cool. And then we can look up Mingora, Pakistan, because that's where she grew up. It's looking like it might not be working. Oh, there we go. Okay, and now we save. Now we're going to add that in. So Padlet has a lot of different things that you can add in. So I do kind of want you just to play with it and see what you can add in, what makes sense. Now, maybe a map doesn't make sense for yours. Maybe it does. Only add in things that make sense. And then, okay, we can say Mingora, Pakistan. Remember, you need to explain everything. Okay, this is where Malala grew up and where the Taliban took over. Okay, and that kind of shows us right there. But basically, there are a ton of different things that we can add. Just make sure that all of your writing is there. Okay, that's really the most important thing that I care about, that all of your writing is there, all of your text features are there, everything that you need is there ready for us to see. And then I'm pretty sure we can start moving this stuff around. And if not, you can go on a different kind of Padlet and move that kind of stuff around. So I just did the wall. You can try different ones and see which one you like. Have fun creating.